And when I studied Greek philosophy, I was which means that the world is ruled by dead Greeks.
And I believe I'm already greater than I already am. And I believe I'm already greater than I already am. Hey, and I believe I'm already greater than I already. And I believe it. Hey, and I believe I'm greater. You need to understand and figure out the
SAPC here we come. Awusiyambonga mphengane. Sesifikile bekunene. Sitomelele live leMaswati. Sibabukisi nje sitobukisa. Sitobukisa ngebuve bethu. Sibukisa ngelive lethu. Sibukisa ngemhambo yethu. Sibukisa nangemakhosi ethu. SAPC. Akube kuhle ke msakandaba. Lwele lutho nophakathi bayethi.
You need to understand and figure out the plan is standing out. This knowledge yourself and not to blend in with the crowd. Just follow where your heart leads. You know it's better to do what works for you and not what your crew is telling you. Don't try to be cool just to gain popularity. I'd rather be you and remain pure without you, baby. The one to get ahead in life. All you need to know is self-discipline is the fuel that keeps you going. So stand up for what you believe in and never compromise who you are. Then you'll achieve whatever goal you got in your heart. Understanding you nearer to understand that the life of the man.
No, you guys are doing a good job because nganibona nilandzela nemthimba lapha eMozambique. Uthi hayi no, cha niyasebenta madodana. Niyasebenta. Yabona this culture needs to be exported. Nathi sesicale phela sisi exporter la ka Ramaphosa.
Kunjalo. Ngakho phela silala manje.
Yes.
Sibabukisa isitobukisa. Ngale mambo nemasiko elive lethu la leSwatini.
Kunjalo.
Njoba nawe nje ulapha wetha kutawuletha ithalenta lakho. Dobukisa ukuthi eMaswati anelithalenta. Futhi handsome.
Ngiyathi ngimangalisile ukuthi wacala ukungibona ngiseseka channel S sihamba ngetinyawo lapha eNazareth. Wangitshela ukuthi mina my future is bright. Hey, uyabona ungithusile.
Yes. No, nkulunkulu umfakazi wami ngakuloko. I saw you. Wahamba ngetinyawo lapha. Futhi bengihlala eNazareth leso sikhathi. Yes. Afika ngapha makhara wasona ngiyabonga bhuti wami. Uja ukugibela ibhasi la. I'm telling you, my brother.
Hey man.
So jaye kuhle kakhulu siyajabula.
No, siyabonga kakhulu.
Siyajabula nokuthi nawe nje uliswati, uyabona, ulina eSouth Africa, uyabonakala kusikwendani. Lokusho ukuthi eMaswati bantu labatwana emhambo nemasiko futhi bantu labatinjula buqopho.
Nangenhlonipho.
Inhlonipho ke ihamba embili.
Inhlonipho ihamba embili. Khona lapha vele basincoma ngaloko.
Namambala. Ngiyabona nje nawe ukuthi awu kule ndlela ongilo lijawu likho ngabantu ntombi zowafa.
Hey, we are recording. Hey guys,
you from Swaziland. I want you from this night forward to declare that you are an official ambassador of Swaziland. Wherever you go, I want you to wear your Swaziland flag. Tell everyone you meet, I am from Swaziland, the only remaining kingdom, genuine, representing the principles of God in heaven. Hallelujah. Don't be ashamed of what you are. Remember, I come to Swaziland to tell you that you are the last example God has on earth. Come on, clap, man. You from Swaziland.
La Johannesburg bekunene la besikhona khona sibitwe SABC News. Bekuhle kakhulu bekunene sifika itolo lapha. Sesiyahamba ke besilela eGarden Court. Besitophakamisa umjeka welive la kaNgwane singeMaswati. Kubonakala ukuthi buve bethu nemihambo yethu sihambise embili ukuthi ayibonwe ngomhlaba wonke jikelele. Sambe kahle ke bekunene sisho njalo sisilwati nebuve ingcebo. Sibonga wona emakhosi ethu. Akube kuhle ke jayeli namandla bayethu nophakathi.
Mabukisi Foundation, lwati nebuve ingcebo.